Away they go, Lady King from the outside, Conqueror. Profit sharing Scarlet Minstrel alongside his Madam Isabella on the further outside, Gold B. At Commodity Danori inside, then comes Ako, ang boss, followed in by Waki Diamond, Hershey, Sir Jeboy, Dawan Surya, and Deep Purple is running at the tail of the field. Conqueror by about 2 lengths, followed by Lady King in second. At Commodity racing third by Daryl Scarlet Minstrel, Wacky Diamond rushing out. Isabel, Sir Jeboy, Ako, ang boss. Conqueror by a length and a half. Moving up from the outside is Lady King, Hot Commodity. And here comes Wacky Diamond, Ako, ang boss Danori inside as they race the corner. Lady King by a length and a half, followed by Hot Commodity on the outside. Moving up, Ako, ang boss, Wacky Diamond, Sir Jeboy. Lady King, Hot Commodity, and by the release, Ako, ang boss, and nearing the finish line, number 13, Lady King second. Ako, ang boss, Hot Commodity, Sir Jeboy. Number 10, Conqueror, and for your Super 6, the Mansuria, number 3.